Hello everyone, this is Vivek. Welcome to my channel Alpha IQ. Today we are going to discuss some previous questions of SSC CGL. Let us get into today's session. Coming to first problem, to make a profit of 20%, the selling price of good is fixed at 240 rupees. So if we want to make 20% profit, the good is sold at 240 rupees. So in order to get 20% profit, then selling price is sold at 240 rupees. So for 12%, 24. For 1%, 2. So for 100%, it is 200 rupees. So this 100% gives the cost price. So the cost price of the given product is 200 rupees. Now, in an examination, 35% of students failed in Hindi. So 35% students failed in Hindi and 45% in English and 20% failed in both Hindi and English. So what we need to find here, find percentage of those students who passed in both the subjects. So in order to find the percentage of students who passed in both subjects, we need to find out the percentage of students who failed in both the subjects. So when we get the percentage of failure, then if we subtract that percentage of failure from that 100%, we get the percentage of students who passed in both the subjects. Now in order to find out, now first we have to find out only Hindi percentage failure. So only in Hindi. So students failed only in Hindi. Why? Because this 35% students contains the students who also failed in English. So we have to find out the percentage of students who failed only in Hindi. So only in Hindi. So 35% minus 20% is 15%. So 15% of students in 35% failed only in Hindi. Remaining 20% failed in both. So now only in English. So students who failed only in English, this 45% minus who failed in both, 20% gives you 25%. So 25% of students failed only in English, remaining 20% failed in both. So from this, the percentage of students who failed only in Hindi and only in English, 30 plus 40. So 40% is the percentage of students who failed in English and Hindi, and 20% also failed in both. So total number of students who failed in total strength is 60% failed. Okay, so 60% of students failed. So the remaining will be passed students will be 40%. So we found out that percentage of students who passed in both the subjects is 40%. Coming to next problem, a man is traveling 50 kilometers at 25 kilometers per hour and next 40 kilometers at 20 kilometers per hour. Then after that he traveled another 90 kilometers at 15 kilometers per hour speed. So he is asking to find average speed. So we know that formula, average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. So in order to find out the average speed, we need to have total distance and total time. So we already know that the total distance is 50, 40 and 90. So total is 180 kilometers. He traveled 180 kilometers at different speeds. So the total distance, we know it already. So we need to find out the total time taken, as we don't know the time taken in the three conditions. So in order to find out the time, we need to find out the times individually in three conditions, add them. So that is the total time taken. So in order to find out, now I am considering the T1 is the time taken in first case, T2 is the in the second case to travel 40 kilometers, and T3 is the time taken in the third case to travel 90 kilometers. So T1 is, we know that distance by speed is equal to time. So we know that already, we know the formula, speed is equal to distance by time. Using that I am calculating the time. So time is distance by speed. So distance is 50 in first case, then speed is 25. Next second case 40 and 20. Next third case 90 in 15. 90 distance, speed is 15. So 22 is 25 2 is 15 6. So total 10 hours. So the total time taken by him to travel, the total distance is 10 hours. So total distance is 180 by 10. So 18 kilometers per hour. So this is the average speed of his total journey. Coming to next problem, x plus 1 by x is not equal to 0 and x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 0. So these are given and we have to find out the value of x plus 1 by x whole power 4. So in order to find out this, first we have to find out the value of x plus 1 by x. Then only we can find out the value of x plus 1 by x whole power 4. We can write this as x plus 1 by x whole power 4 is equal to x plus 1 by x of x plus 1 by x whole cube. So this x plus 1 by x whole cube can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. So this is the formula of a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. X and x gets cancelled and x cube plus 1 by x cube is value is 0. So now we get 3 of, so this is removed. Now 3 of x plus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x. So 3 of x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole power 4. So square and 2 gets cancelled as there are 4 terms and here 2 terms. So x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 3. Now what we have to find, x plus 1 by x whole power 4. Squaring on both sides. We get x plus 1 by x whole square whole square is 4. So 3 square is equal to 9. So the value of x plus 1 by x whole power 4 is 9. Now coming to next problem. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to how much? So x plus 1 by x squaring on both sides, we get 2 square. So x square plus 1 by x square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So x and x gets cancelled and we get 2. So 4. So x cube plus 1 by x square is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. So this is the traditional method, but in exam, in order to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square within 2 seconds, we can see, observe the shortcut here. Put 1 in place of x. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Here 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So x value is 1. Put x value as 1, then you get the value. 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is the value of x square plus 1 by x square? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Going to next problem. 3 sides of a triangle are 5, 9 and x. We need to find out the value of x. We know that in a triangle, the condition sum of any 2 sides is greater than the third side and the difference of any 2 sides is less than the third side. So the minimum integral value of x is, x should be greater than the difference of other 2 sides. So the difference is 9 minus 5, x greater than 4. So what is the minimum integral value? So just above the 4 value is 5. So minimum integral value is 5. centimeters. So this is just above the 4. So that is the minimum integral value. It can be 6, it can be 7, it can be 8, anything. Okay, so 5 centimeter is the minimum integral value. So that's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.